How you doing, Lazar? Well, today's April 1st, 2020. Well, today's April 1st, 2020. Today's April 1st, 2020. Today's April 1st, 2020. Well, sitting here, waiting for the woman to get ready. Waiting for my mail order chainsaw. My mail order chainsaw hasn't come yet. Gotta cut all this wood for next winter. Keep me warm and stuff. Well, today's April 1st, 2020. Snow's slowly melting. I'm supposed to get out into the hills today and do a little practice log cabin building, and build a little shelter out there for some fun, or stay out there as long as we can. Just to be out in natures and away from people for a while. I'm supposed to do that, head out today, but my mail order chainsaw hasn't come yet. Waiting for my mail order chainsaw. Bummer. Anyways, we're definitely gonna get out in the mountains today, and I'll let you guys come along for the ride. Rock and roll. How's that, good? So here we are, found a little cool lunch spot place here. Trying to keep this camera as stable as I can. But we're out here on the logging roads, pretty deep up in the forest here, about 15 kilometers or so on logging road. Found this little cool cabin. Had to get me a stabilizer. So yeah, it's a cool little cabin we found. Nice little picnic table. Not much here, but yeah, looks like our lunch place for today. Well, we decided to change our place for lunch. Little spot back there was a little chilly, no sun, so we're actually heading up to the top of the hill here. So we made it all the way up from somewhere way down there. So we got a fork in the road. So one goes that way, the other one goes that way. Let's go take a look at the directions. How you doing, Ty? So which way do we go? Which way? That? Okay. The direction right here. Let's take a look. Big tree fell down over there. So. Oh, cool. Definitely a hard way to get wood out here. Lunch time. Shout time.
Блин, школа, ну что школа? Ну ладно. Я не знаю.
BMT? BMT or coffee empty?
Огонь, можно?
How do you?
Кола.
You want tea? Huh? You want tea?
Конечно, хочу.
Yeah. Kind of fun when you don't have any destination point in mind. You just out exploring and found a picnic table at the top of this little hill. It's awesome. So I think we're about 1,200 meters up right now. So, hoorah, rock and roll, lunchtime. This place we made out here for lunch. It's actually pretty good. So we're gonna table is sitting out here at the top of this hill, so it's pretty awesome. We're gonna hang out here until sunset. It's pretty warm. It's real nice, and we'll catch the view. So catch you guys at sunset. Getting kind of chilly up here on the ridge, so we're gonna actually move the Jeep and head over the next ridge on the other side, the south side of the ridge, and see if we get a nice sunset over there with a view of Gorvella. Gorvella is actually the highest mountain peak in Ukraine, and it's 2,060 meters. Hope we get a view of it. Right on the other side of Gorvella is the border of Romania, which is really nice. So I should probably follow the same tracks out here and not going through the mud. So film it, but we're all good. So really beautiful, and leaving the picnic table behind. So it's really great little lunch spot. We're pretty hungry, so there we go. Oh, Tanya, the door's open. So, yeah, so we head up over the ridge and let's see what's up over that side. We're turning around to head back over the picnic table. The road was kind of tough and a little wet. Going a little bit further, getting stuck out here would not be fun. So. Head on back down or up to the picnic table and watch the sunset from there. That might have been the best spot. I should just stayed put. Oh well. Exploration doesn't allow you to stay put sometimes. So, it's absolutely beautiful out here. Amazing. So we're right above Mykulychyn, we believe. Actually, right above between Yaremchi and Mykulychyn. up here at Logan Road, so it's about 30 kilometers Logan Road so far travel. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go head back up to the picnic bench. Hopefully that spot's still free. I'm sure it is. And watch the sun go down. Hopefully we carry some good videos. How about you, Ty? How you doing? How you doing there, Ty?
Как лужа на английском?
I don't know, what does that mean? Oops.
These little red things.
In the water? Like a lily pad?
Нет.
Like what?
Ну просто, like not just mud, короче, ладно, я не знаю.
Okay. Oh yeah, what she saying? That's how she feels. That's how she's doing. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So rock and roll.
I'm feeling sad.
Oh, you don't feel like that? Okay. Awesome. So, alright, see you guys back up at the picnic table. Sunset. So yeah, here we are, back up at the picnic table, making some tea. So here's something really interesting. Look at Tanya's balsa. Wow, man. I always see all that. Crazy. Your hair's just like sticking to me, man. Yeah, wait for the sun to go down over here so we can capture the live view. So, tea's pretty hot, honey. So, absolutely beautiful, man. It feels like we're at the top of the world right here, but behind us is what we're waiting for the sun to go down over there. So, looks like it's almost there. Maybe another half hour or so, sun will be down, and get a nice sunset. Golden hour pictures. Behind me is Ivana Frankov over that way. This way behind me, I think Mykulychyn, and then behind us that way is can't see the peak, Tatarov. So where we live. So yeah, awesome, man. Lovely day. Rock and roll. See you soon.
Доброго дня.
Добре.
Я вибачаюся, що ви знімаєте таке?
Ще раз?
Що ви знімаєте?
А, ми живемо здесь. Татаров.
Живете тут?
Да.
Де живете?
Татаров.
Татарин?
Да.
Ви знімаєте котловини, чи все?
А, здесь это можно, да?
А?
Рог можно, да?
Ні, ну котловини, ну час, це не можна знімати.
А, можно, да? Кто зима здесь?
Ви собі знімаєте от, пейзаж, територію, ну так.
А, хорошо, поеду.
Ясно.
Хорошо. Через 5 минут, я хочу на фото соса. So Tanya says I had cool boxes. Let's check out what's in the box. This is a propane tank, the little thing we got from Gorgony magazine. Make our tea in and stuff so we don't have an open fire. Really good water for Ukraine, Morshitskaya. And in the box we have little utensils, some propane, toilet paper, cutting knife. This is a dirty battery charger, solar battery charger. This is a jammer. It'll jam GPS, radio signals, anything around you at any time. Don't drive through McDonald's with it on. We had that experience. Oops. And then these are our Kenwood handheld radios for when we go hiking. Tanya likes to run off on her own sometimes, so I give her one. We have one at base camp, so we know everybody's okay all the time. That's about it. So, tea time. You want some more in your teacup, Hunter, or is... Yeah, a little bit more? See if I can do this while I'm looking through the camera. Oh, there we go, cool. Awesome, there we go. Sun's almost going down. Oh, look at that view, beautiful. Well, we didn't quite understand what the guy wanted. His tanks tell us to look off the land, but it's actually the roads here are public land, thanks to the valleys. But we could be on the oil, Ukraine nifty, whatever it's called, Ukraine land. They were just concerned that we had cameras and said we couldn't be filming here, so no big deal. Asked us to sit down on cameras and leave. I told them I would admit it after I filmed the sun go down. They just kind of, I mean, I don't really know. We didn't quite understand the full details of the story there, so, and they didn't explain it clearly enough. So, anyways, we got the sunset, really cool. So, I'm actually gonna head back down. We got about 20 kilometers, maybe. Let's see, 42 to 56. Yeah, 30 kilometers of logging roads to head back down. Maybe a little bit less. We've kind of been bouncing around, so maybe 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers. So, 20 kilometers. Yeah, it's 20, 30 kilometers. We've been bouncing around, so a little more than 20 kilometers. So, we did it. Yeah. Another video in production. Carpathian Overland, April 1st, 2020. Anything you say? No? Okay? Anything you say? I don't know why I missed what you say, so it's all good.